Placing geometry on curved surfaces is a pain. Shrink wrap distorts your shapes. Manual placement takes forever. There has to be a better way. What if you could design on a flat 2D canvas and have it automatically conform to any 3D surface? Start with any UV mapped mesh. One click creates your 2D workspace, a flat representation of your surface's UVs. Now design freely in 2D. Use any Blender tools, modifiers, curves, booleans, whatever you need. Select your design, set the target, and click Transform. Your geometry wraps perfectly to the surface. Enable auto refresh and edit live. Changes update instantly on your 3D result. Follow 3D surface mode walks along the mesh curvature instead of extending flat when your design extends past UV boundaries. It works seamlessly with subdivision surfaces or other modifiers. UV Transform. Design in 2D, transform to 3D.